Hello children, welcome back once again in English grammar class, and today I am going to teach you about notice writing. This is the first topic of your writing section. So without wasting much time, let's begin today's class and know what is notice and how it is written. In this series of video, you will come to know about the format of notice writing, some important points which you need to keep in mind while writing a notice, and then we will practice some exercises, some examples related to this topic. So without wasting much time, let's begin today's class and learn about notice writing. So first of all, let's know the introduction of notice writing. How do we communicate one-to-one or one-to-many, or there are some time when we have to communicate one-to-many for a period of time. So there are some certain ways of communication. Sometimes we read newspaper, newses which you see on TV, magazines, radio, telephone. These all are the means of communication. Notice is also one of them. Notice is a means of communication with the help of which we can communicate one-to-many or one-to-many for a period of time. So what is notice writing? Notice is a formal means of communication. Yes, notice writing is a formal means of communication. Now, what are the purposes of writing notice? So, notice is written to announce any important news or any important information. It is also used for displaying information to a specific group of people, and it should be pinned up on a specific display board, which you call it as a notice board in your school, public places or newspaper. So what is notice? Notice is a means of communication. It is a formal means of communication with the help of which we can announce or display any piece of information to a specific group of people. And this notice should always be pinned up on a specific display board, which is also known as notice board in your school, public places or newspaper. Now, what are the important contents that need to be included in a notice? So while you're writing a notice, there should be the name of organization which is issuing the notice. Then the title notice should be given. Then there should be a catchy headline to introduce the subject. Subject means on what topic you are going to write that particular notice. The headline, the title must be very attractive, it must be very catchy. Then when you are writing this notice, so the date must be given. Then the body of the notice, which includes place, venue, time, date, everything about that event or about that program. And then you have to write the name of the writer, means who is issuing that authorized person, with its designation in a capital letter. Now let's have a look to the further slides. This is the format of notice. On the very top of it, you will write the name of the organization or the office which is issuing that notice. It should be an authorized institution. Then on either left side or right side, you have to write the date. Date must be written in this format: month, day and year. Then a heading notice should be given, and then a catchy headline or title of the notice should be mentioned, which can reveal or which can easily tell you the subject of the notice. Then the body of the notice, and then who has written this notice, means the issuer's name, its name, signature and designation. And these all things should be kept in a box, a square box. Now there are some 5 W's which you need to remember while you write a notice. What is going to happen, means the name of the program or name of the event. Where it will take place, means the venue, and when it will take place, means time and date. Who can benefit from the information, means the specific person or a specific group if you are writing for. And then whom to contact for further details. So these 5 W's must be added, must be included while you write a notice. In the next video, I will explain you the format of notice, how to write notice, and then we will discuss some further wrongs and right which we generally do in the notice. So your assignment is to write the definition of notice in your copy and learn the points, 8 points which are given in your book properly, and note down those points in your copy. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.